Okay, you've just put your eyeshadow on and you're like, oh, I have some fallout. I've kind of taken dark where it shouldn't have been. Let me show you a couple of tricks for this one. First, my name's Lori. Make sure you hit that follow button if you like mature skin makeup tips. I love helping you. Over here, I definitely have pulled that eyeshadow down a little bit too low, and what that does is makes my eye kind of fall down, and we don't want our eyes to fall down. We want them to stay nice and lifted. So what I'm going to use is this brush right here. This is a double-ended brush from Saint. It's a little bit more dense, so it works really well with cream. And then I'm going to go into my shade right here. This is my brightest one. This is just one down from that. Whenever you're working with something darker, you don't want to just go over it with light because many times the dark just shows through, right? So we kind of have to match it in a little bit in depth. And what you're going to do is you're just going to take that shade and you're just going to tap it on the area where you've got some extra fallout and just bring that shade back up. See how that lifted that eye back up, right? It's super cool. Now over here, you can see I kind of have an extra shadow right there. It's like the eyeshadow just kind of stuck in that area, and you can see my eyes are completely different size. They have some different shape. So what I'm trying to do is create balance. So I'm just going to flip the brush over. This has more of a rounded area, and I'm going to go into the same one, and I'm just going to go right onto that shadow. And I want you to see how that just brightens up. As we age, sometimes our lids kind of hang down a little bit too far and you'll get some of those shadows. So a good way to lift back up again is just to take your brighter shade or concealer shade, and I'm just going to take and put a little bit underneath that brow bone and see how that just kind of makes like the brow look prettier. And even if you don't have perfect brows, you can totally do this instead of using shimmer, and I promise it'll make a huge difference in helping your eyes look younger. Now, if you have a little fallout down here, don't be afraid to take that same color and just kind of flick it. See that, you guys? So you don't have to be perfect with your eyeshadow. You can be messy. You just have to have a way to fix it. So if you want help choosing colors, just go to the link in my bio.